The Princess and the Pig.
Oh, if only someone would do my homework for me.
My name is Bill. I'll do it if you let me live in your castle for a year.
It's a deal.
So as he did her homework and she played, they slowly fell in love.
Hey, if only you were a prince, you could stay with me. Oh, this is so sad.
Just a kiss will free me.
Hey!
I didn't say what kind of prince I was. I know. Yeah.